Hello guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. I'm with STA representative Teuila. So Teuila is a very good friend of mine. We go back in the days, and yeah, it's good to see him. So I'm just here around the Teuila festival. If you don't know what, he's one of the best. If you come to Samoa, come to STA, the tourism authority, find Teuila. He's also a good tour guide. Bit expensive, but he's cool. So we're just gonna go around. So we've got the Teuila festival going on right now, and we'll show you guys a bit around. I'll help you guys, give you a bit of tips on the language, and yeah, if you ever do travel to Samoa, keep in mind some language tips I'll be showing in around the episode. See you in a bit. So the Teuila festival is an annual festival here in Samoa. Usually around September, and it holds a lot of cultural events. It's a great time to come see the culture. Also a lot of tattooing going on at the time, food, and a lot of fire dancing. So it's a really good time of the year to visit Samoa. And also it's the reason why we call it Teuila is because of the national plant, which is the Teuila. If you guys see that. All right. So I guess one of the most important things to remember is, your first word is saying hi. So when you say hi in Samoan, it's talofa. Talofa, you guys see that? And that's your first greeting when you see a Samoan. And if you're going around the markets and stuff, it'd be nice to ask, if you want to ask, how much is this? Just say, feel it out. Right there. And if you like it, say seki or patonu. Alright, patonu is a lot more current now. Seki, probably 10 years now, but patonu is a nice one, so that, people will know, like, oh, this guy knows his stuff, man, So guys, that's some of the shows and stalls behind the Samoa Tourism Authority. It'd be great to check it out. I was actually on my way to town to carry out some errands and stuff, but I thought it might be a good chance to show you guys around town, especially with the Teuila festival going on. So yeah. So I'm actually going to head off now to the bank because I've got some stuff to do, but we'll show you guys along the way. Alright guys, so that's the pageant. We've got the pageant going on at the moment. Some of the contestants there. So So it's so yeah guys, I'm actually on my way now to the bank because I gotta do some stuff. As much as I'd like to hang around, it's keen on the sun right now, so might show you guys on the way there some of the stuff here around town. Alright guys, I'm just here where the Friendship Park is, and that's the town clock. Just gonna catch a bit of breath under the shade, and then we'll carry on to the bank BSP over there. We need to sort out some stuff. You know, I get the feeling people think I'm a tourist at the moment, when in fact I'm just a farmer from the other side of the island. I got people asking me, hey, you want a tour, you want a tour? Nah bro, just another local. Honestly, the last time I walked around here was probably when I was in high school and stuff. Finish school and then come, you know, hang around in town. Parents are waiting at home. It's been a long time. It's actually been a long time. Alright guys, just finished sorting my stuff at the bank. Now I'm gonna head off to carry out some errands. This is where the old market used to be. It's under reconstruction. I think they've got some developments for here. Just gonna walk towards the front. Oh, so this is one of those, so there was a parade float this morning for the Miss Samoa. I think this was the car that actually won. It's pretty cool. One of our famous fish exporters here in Samoa. And the notorious RSA Club. the old library there, the National Memorial. I think it's the Nelson Memorial Library. Just heading back now to the Friendship Park. Oh, we've got another one of these parade trucks that was there in the morning. Alright, so we've got it's another good thing about here is there's a close by police station. If ever you have troubles in town, quickly contact the boys and the girls here at the police station. So here we go. This is give you guys a quick tour of the Friendship Park. It is between the Samoa and Chinese friendship. You guys can see there, part of the Chinese aid to help. This is the Apia waterfront project. It's nice. One of the great things about the Friendship Park, make a lot of friendship here. Got the water front on that side. You've got there's quite a lot of things here for the kids and stuff. Got a nice sand there. Got the government building there and then the central bank there. It's pretty full on here. Again, I've got a couple of people coming up to me. He's like, "Oh, do you want this? You want?" Nah, man, I'm not a tourist, bro. Just a farmer from the other side of the island. So that's another exit towards the main road, going in the front there. I think this might be another shop. Or probably another STA shop. Got some scooters in there if you guys can see that. Yeah, so you can actually ride around. I think there might be some celebrations going on here. So this is where they've been having the celebrations this entire week. So I think they're setting up for some more celebrations. So this is directly in the back of the government building. Alright, time for another break. So the Teuila festival is a really important festival, especially for the economy in Samoa, because that's where most of the tourists come in, and a lot of the times they spend lots and lots of money, in the thousands. So it's one of the big economy boosters here in Samoa, and you can see why, because there's so much attraction going on. You've got tours going on at the same time around the country, and you've also got shows going on here in town. So one of the shows. So I think tonight is when we're having the finals for the pageant, the Miss Samoa pageant. So I think it might be here, it might not be here, but that's a stage there for it. Alright guys, just gonna finish off with some more tours around here, and then I'll head back because I've got some other stuff to do, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Got the skateboard rank over there, a lot of stuff for the kids. bit of the rules for the playground. Got bathrooms right there. So we're actually going to dive back here, back up STA, and check out some of the stuff here. Alright guys, so we're here at the Samoa Tourism Authority office. This will probably be your first checkpoint to start off when you actually do come here. Get a lot of information here as well, so I'd highly recommend starting off here. And then the team here will give you guys some nice tips of where to visit during the Teuila festival. Definitely check out here first, and then you start going around town. Probably get a lot of information here if you do come here, so probably best bet to start off here and then get some tips around town. So this is another good reason to probably start off here, is because you've got a probably grab you one of these. So it's really good because got most of the activities, places of interest. Just quickly have a look at that. So you've got some QR codes there, so yeah, definitely come in and grab you one of these and get the staff to help you out. We've got kayak and biking. Probably give them a call. There's quite a lot of activities going on, so that's why we even got pricing for stuff. That's why it's probably the best bet to start off here, because then you get a lot of information on where to go about here in Samoa while you're here. Look at that. I think that might be the Sora, yeah, famous Sora trench. Alright guys, so this was part of the prize I won today. It's a couple of was with the Samoa Tourism Authority with this competition. So actually I didn't win this competition specifically, but I actually won one of the questions, which was what are the hashtags for the Teuila. So I actually got 2 out of the 3 right. So if you want to follow the Teuila special or the Teuila going on right now, the festival, just type in those hashtags, Facebook, Instagram, and check it out. Kaya ba sis? Yeah, pinako. So yeah guys, we've got our money. The prize was about 50 bucks. I'm happy with that. That was a free 50 bucks. You know, just keeping up to date with the stuff that's going on. You actually get a few prizes. So big thanks to the staff here at Samoa Tourism Authority for helping me out as well. You know, a lot of these documents. So make sure to check out the page, Facebook and on Instagram for a lot of the updates going on, especially during festivals here in Samoa. I think I'm gonna start walking that way and see if we can catch a ride. It's quite funny because they actually thought I was a tourist. I am a tourist. I live on the other side of the island. Hardly get time to come check out the town anyway, so I'd say I'm a local tourist. So it's actually 11:30 now. I think that's the 11:30 Mass at the Catholic Church, the main Catholic Church here, LiQWYD Catholic Church. So not sure if you guys can hear me, but I think I'm gonna sign up because it's actually quite windy right now. So if you guys enjoyed today's episode and enjoyed the tour I did around town, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Really appreciate the growth that we have been experiencing. And if you do plan to come to Teuila, I highly advise you guys to check out the Samoa Tourism Authority first, grab yourself a brochure, and then go from there. So I'm gonna head off now. I've got some more stuff to do, run some errands and stuff here in town, but I'm gonna sign off now. Really hope you guys did enjoy today's episode, and yeah, hopefully see you on the next upload. Until then, stay safe, God bless, take care.